Hey bitches, what's up? So, today we are trying this. I seen someone else on TikTok try this. It's from the Dollar Tree. There's my sick dog. Anyways, it's called Sweet Cheeks, and it was literally the perfect Barbie pink blush I've ever seen. That guy tried it and it looked amazing. So, we're trying it today. And we're putting it on top of this Fenty Beauty foundation that I tried in my previous video. Why do they even come with these? Okay. Look how gorgeous. It's literally the most perfect shade of blush. 10 out of 10.